Hi guys, today is the time. Please look at the time first and date. Clearly see the time and date. See all these things nicely. See all these things nicely. Look at the date on my computer also. And now look at this processor. This is my processor which I will review later. Now, look also in this place that the time is currently 8:12 p.m. on erodove.com. On erodove.com. And now I will change the tab. Now show you that the date is the same. 18 means that only 8:18. Little bit difference of the two times. Look at the manual clock. Now you have seen that both the time and date are correct. Why I have done that? I have done it because I will show you something here. This is my processor. This is my processor, Core i5 3550S. This is a third generation Ivy Bridge processor. This I have made this video to show you all guys that the processor seal is still intact. At this place I have tried to open this seal, but I haven't opened the seal fully till this is still intact here. The seal is still intact, but I haven't opened the seal fully because I thought that if I'll open this seal fully, then you guys may think that I have opened this and used it, and now again I am selling this. So I am showing you that by this is the proof that I have not opened this till now, 24th September, and the time I have already shown you what is the time. So I will open this box now in front of your eyes. The seal is being broken now fully. Please look at it here. The seal is fully broken now. Now the seal is fully broken. As you can see, the seal has broken. Now I am going to open this box. This is an OEM processor with an OEM box. So the box is like this. Now inside I am showing you this processor. This is the box, and here's the processor. Dun, dun, dun. The processor is here. Look at it. Look at it. Please look at it. Wait, I'm just adjusting. Yeah, that's good. Core i5 3550S. Everything is clear now. Everything is clear. I will also add date and processor, and again I will show you one more thing, that processor with the today's date and time almost the same. This proves that I have just opened the box now. I haven't used it, and since now I don't have also motherboard to use it. I want to sell this because this processor requires a good motherboard. If I'll pair it with the H61 motherboard, then it will not justice for this processor to be paired with an H61 motherboard. So I don't have money. I need to sell this, and i3 is enough for me. I have realized that i3 is enough for me. I need more than a processor. I need a graphics card. So I need an i5. So bye guys. First look at it nicely. Yeah, nice. Oh, yeah. Wait. Yeah. This all comes with the phone, so your processor is not damaged. So the videos is all it has a very good IGP 2500 HD 2500, which is equivalent to HD 5450 HD 5450 from ATI, which is an discrete graphics card. So bye bye, take care.